Hello, I'm Brooklyn, and today I'm going to be explaining composite numbers. A composite number is when you have a number like 12 that in multiplication you have to find all of the digits that can make 12 in multiplication. As you can see that there is 1 times 12, 4 times 3, and 2 times 6. A composite number is when you have a number like 12 that you can use different numbers and times them to get the number 12. A prime number is when you only have 1 times 12, or itself. But a composite number is when you have more than that. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!